Introduction to Numbers, Part 2. Rational numbers. Rational number is a number that can be written as a ratio of two integers, like a over b, where b cannot be 0. The symbol is q. Example, 2 can be written as 10 over 5. 2.5 can be written as 5 over 2. Any ratio of rational number of integer is also a rational number, like 13 over 7 equals 1.8571 and so on. Irrational number is just the opposite, a number that cannot be written as a ratio of two integers, where b cannot be 0, and the symbol is q prime. Example of irrational number, square root 3 is also known as surd. There are two characteristics. First is that it cannot be evaluated exactly because there's no end to the decimal point. The other way of saying it is an infinite non-recurring decimal. It simply means the same thing, no end to the decimal point. The other one is called the transcendental, like pi and e. E is also known as Euler's number. It has the same characteristic that it cannot be evaluated exactly, and it has infinite non-recurring decimal, meaning there's no end to the decimal point. And the only difference is that it is not a root of any polynomial equation with rational coefficients. It means it's not the square root of anything. Integer, it is a all whole number, including negative whole numbers, 0, and positive whole number. Here is an example of it, just a whole number with positive or negative sign. Factor. If an integer x can be divided by y without leaving a remainder, then y is a factor of x. For example, 15 is 3 times 5. Then 5 and 3 and 5 are factors of 15. Multiple. A multiple of a number is this number multiplied by other integers. For example, 5 is a multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Lowest common multiple. A lowest common multiple between two numbers is the smallest multiple shared between them. For example, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So the common multiple between 4 and 5 are 20, because 20 is the number that shared between them and is the smallest. End of part 2.